Here we have a Jamb question on calculus. So we have to resolve this. We are asked to find the y dx of the given question. Solution. For more on this tutorial video, you need to subscribe to this channel. Here we have y to be this, and we are asked to find the y dx. First, we have to rearrange what y is. Y can be written as x raised to the power of minus 1. So if we have it like this, we can now differentiate. So the y all over the x will be equal to 2x minus 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of minus 1 minus 1. So the next thing to do is to write this out properly. So it then means that the y all over the x will be equal to 2x. This multiply this will give you plus x raised to the power of minus 2. And from indices, we can rewrite this properly. So we have our dy dx to be 2x plus 1 all over x squared. So we have succeeded in differentiating this. So this becomes the answer to the given question. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel.